yesterday. Go to the associative property for whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. The associative property, what is meaning of associative property? Therefore, under addition, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Right, whole numbers. You take whole numbers. For example, see what is the under addition. See a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. The a replace of 2, b replace of 5, c replace of 4. Therefore, 2 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7 for 4 plus 4. Therefore, 2 plus 9 is 11 is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, right. Go to subtraction. So actually, no negative values in the whole numbers. Okay, right. See, a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. See, therefore, see, a replace of 3, b replace of 5, c replace of 4. Therefore, a minus b, 3 minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 4. Here, 3 minus 5 minus 4 is 1 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 4. Therefore, 3 minus 1 means 2. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Okay, minus 2 minus 6 is not equal to minus 2 is equal to now 2 not equal to minus 6. This is not satisfied. Go to see multiplication. The multiplication. What is the multiplication? Associative property. What is the associative property? A into b into c is equal to a into b into c. A into b into c. Therefore, you take any number. What is you take only? Therefore, a comma b comma c belongs to w. What is mean? W means whole numbers. Therefore, for example, see 2. Therefore, 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. Therefore, 2 into 3 into 4 means 12. 2 into 3, 6 into 4. Therefore, 12 2s are 24 is equal to 6 4s are 24. Okay. Under multiplication, the whole numbers is with associative property is satisfied. Go to division. See, a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. You take 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. See, first of all, 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2 means 1 by 2 divided by 3. Here 1. The division symbol convert into multiplication before the fraction is reciprocal. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2. The division into 1 by 3. Therefore, 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, 3 by 2 not equal to 1 by 6. Under division not satisfy the associative property for whole numbers. Associative property under integers. See, addition. Therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c with integers. For example, you take minus 2 plus minus 5 minus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus of minus 5 plus c minus 2. See, first of all, therefore minus 2 plus minus 5 plus into minus minus 2, that is equal to, therefore minus 2 plus into minus minus 5, therefore plus into minus minus 2. See, minus 2 plus minus 7 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 is equal to, therefore minus 7 minus 2. See, at the same time minus 2 plus into minus minus 7 is equal to minus 7 minus 2. Therefore, minus 9 is equal to minus 9. Okay, satisfy the underration. Go to subtraction. See, subtraction. What is subtraction? See, a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. You take any two a replace of integer, b replace of integer, and c replace of integer. You take c. For example, 2 minus of minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus of minus 5 minus 2 c 2 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus into minus plus 5 minus 2 c 2 minus 7 is equal to 7 minus 2. Therefore, see, 2 plus 7 is equal to 7 minus 2 means 5. Therefore, 9 not equal to 5. 9 not equal to 5. Therefore, he is not satisfied. Go to multiplication. See, multiplication. What is the multiplication? See, the multiplication. Therefore, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c into c. You take any integers, you take replace everything. Therefore, minus 5. Therefore, 2 into 3. Minus 5 into 2 into 3. Therefore, minus 5. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is equal to minus 5 2s are minus 10 into 3. Therefore, minus 30 is equal to minus 30. Okay, satisfy. Under multiplication, satisfy the associative property. Division. See, the division. Division means a fraction. There were no fractions in the integers. So, they see what is division already we are discussing. Therefore, a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. Here you take c 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. See, 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. See, 2 that divided convert into multiplication, the fraction is reciprocal 4 by 3. At the same time 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. See, therefore 8 by 3 2 4s are 8. 8 by 3 is equal to 2 by 12. Therefore 8 by 3 not equal to 2 by 12. Therefore it is not satisfied. Under division is not satisfied. Associative property with rational numbers. See, addition. What is the associative property? Therefore, under addition, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. See, rational numbers. Rational number. What is the rational number? The rational number p by q in the form of p by q. P and q belongs to integers. At the same time, q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. This is the rational number in the form of p by q form. See, a replace of. Therefore, 2 by 3. Plus 1 by 2, c replace of 7 by 2 is equal to, therefore 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 by 2. See, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. See, what is the LCM of 2 and 2? The same number, LCM is same, 2. 2 by 2, 1 plus 7. Direct add the numerators is equal to. Next, 3, 2, 3. No, 2 and 3 is prime numbers. The LCM of prime numbers is the product of that, therefore 2 into 6. 6 by 3, 2 into 2, 4, plus 6 by 2, 3 into 1, 1, plus 7 by 2. Right. At the same time, see, 2 by 3 plus 8 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 by 6 plus 7 by 2. Next, see, what is LCM? 2 by 3 plus 8 by 2, 2 comma 3, what is LCM? Both are prime numbers, the LCM of prime numbers is the product of that numbers, therefore 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 3, 2 into 2, 4, plus 6 by 2, 3 into 8, 24 is equal to, at the same time, 2 comma 6. The LCM of 2 and 6, the LCM of 2 and 6. The LCM of 2 and 6 means 2 3s are 6. 6 by 6, 1 into 5, 5 plus 6 by 2, 3 into 7, 21. See, 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. Yes, divided by 6. See, the 28 and 26, no, any wrong, go to above, go to from, okay, right, see, here 6, 2 into 3, 6, therefore 6 by 3, 2 into 2, 4, plus 6 by 2, 3 into 1, 3, right, therefore 7 by 6, here means 7 by 6. Right, at the same time here 6 1 7, right, this is like now correct is right. 28 by 6 is equal to 7 plus 21 means 20 by 6, therefore 28 by 6 is equal to 28 by 6. This is the now associative property is satisfied under addition with rational numbers. Go to subtraction. Go to subtraction. What is associative? A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. Right? Subtraction. C. Therefore, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus, therefore 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. See, 1 by 2, right, minus, therefore the LCM of 2 comma 4, the LCM 2 comma 4 is 4 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10 minus 4 divided by 1 is 3, right, is equal to, therefore 2 comma 2, what is the same number? 2 comma 2 means LCM is 2, therefore direct add and subtract, therefore 1 minus 5 minus 3 by 4 remaining, therefore 1 by 2 minus 7 10 minus 3 means 7 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 by 2 minus remaining is minus 3 by 4. Right now, therefore 1 by 2 minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 2 minus 3 by 4. See, what is LCM of 2 comma 4? 4 divided by 2, 2 ones 2 minus 4 by 4, 1 into 7, 7 is equal to 2 comma 4. What is LCM 2 comma 4? 4. See, 4 by 2 into 4 minus 8 minus 4 by 4, 1 into 3, 3. Therefore, minus 5 divided by 4 is equal to minus 11 by 4. Okay. Minus 5 by 4 not equal to minus 11 by 4. Therefore, under subtraction with the rational number with the associative property is not. Multiplication. What is the multiplication? Already well known to you. Therefore, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Into C. Right? Therefore, 7 by 2 into 5 by 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2 into 5 by 3 into 2 by 3. Right? 7 by 2 into, right, 5 by 3 into 2 by 3. Therefore, under multiplication, two fractions, that is direct multiplication of numerators and denominators. 5 into 2, 10, 9, 3 into 3, 9. Say under two fractions under multiplication, two rational numbers under multiplication, direct multiplication of numerators divided by multiplication of denominators. Therefore, 35 by 2 into 6 into 2 by 3. See, at the same time, 7 tens are 70 by 2 nines are 18 is equal to 32s are 70 divided by 3 6 threes are 18. Therefore, see, 70 by 18 is equal to 17 by 80. Okay, this under multiplication of associative property is satisfied. Go to division. What is division? Already well known to you. Therefore, A divided by B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. Divided by C. C. For example, A replace of 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 7 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 7 divided by 2 by 3. Now, 1 by 2 divided by, therefore 5 divided by 7, the division changes the multiplication, the fraction is reciprocal, 3 by 2. At the same time, this is the same time 7 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Next. See, 1 by 2 division, therefore already well known to you, under multiplication two rational numbers, direct multiplication of numerator divided by multiplication of denominator. Therefore, 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14 is equal to, say, 7 1s are 7 by 2 5s are 10 divided by 2 by 3. Next, 1 by 2, the division converted into multiplication, therefore the fraction is reciprocal, 4 by 15 is equal to, same way, 7 by 10 into 3 by 2. See, 14 by 30, 14 ones are 2 15s are, therefore 21 by 20. Therefore, 14 by 30 not equal to 21 by 20. Therefore, under division, associative property is not satisfied. Role of 0. What is the role of 0? So, that is called A2 identity. Therefore, under addition with 0. For example, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. You take under addition with 0. Under addition with you take any number. That is called itself. For example, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. At the same time, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Therefore, 0 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 7. You take any. The role of 0 means L2 identity. L2 identity means this is. For example, A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. This is the A2 identity. L2 identity. You can add or subtract with 0. You can add or subtract with any number with 0 is called itself. Itself. Role of 1. Role of 1. You take any number with 1 under multiplication. So, for example, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, A into 1 is equal to A. Therefore, B into 1 is equal to B. Therefore, at the same time, except with 0 under multiplication. At the same time, 2 by 3 into 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, minus 7 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 7 by 2. This is role of 0. Under multiplication, you take under multiplication with 1. Under multiplication, you take any number under multiplication with 1. That is, the result is itself. The result is itself. I go to L2 inverse. What is meaning of L2 inverse? C minus 2. What is L2 inverse of 2 is minus 2. Minus 7, L2 inverse is 7. Therefore, minus 7 by 2, L2 inverse means 7 by 2. At the same time, n, L2 inverse of n means minus n. Therefore, A plus B, L2 inverse of A plus B means minus of A plus B. That is minus A minus B. You take. This is called L2 inverse. Go to multiplicative inverse. What is meaning of multiplicative inverse? You take any rational numbers or any numbers. You take any two numbers or any rational numbers. What it may be? Whose product is 1. Whose product is 1 are called multiplicative inverse of each other. Multiplicative inverse of each other. For example, 5. 1 by 5, 1. 1 by 4 into 4 is 1. Therefore, 5 and 1 by 5 are multiplicate inverse of each other. For example, say A. What is A? The multiplicate inverse of A means 1 by A, that is equal to 1. A cancel 1. Therefore, see 2 by 3. The multiplicate inverse of 2 by 3 means 3 by 2, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 means are multiplicate inverse of each other. For example, see 1 by n. What is the multiplicate inverse of 1 by n means n, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. This is the multiplicate, the information of the multiplicate inverse. Right. The remaining part is tomorrow we discuss.